My earliest memory of food is probably eating at my nonna's house, and she used to make this really incredible ajin al-forn. I always enjoyed cooking a lot at home, and I've always wanted to have my own place because it would be like my baby. I treat other people's restaurants the same way, so why not for myself? From the main menu, I would say since day one, Marelli eggs. It's a very basic dish. Buttered ciabatta, toasted with crispy bacon, poached eggs topped with bechamel, but very classy. A huge thank you for supporting us from literally day one, because I honestly didn't think we'd even have customers when we opened, and we had customers. And a huge thank you, I think, to those people who supported us through COVID. You guys kept us going and kept us open, and it's the best feeling for us when we have regulars and people who come back for seconds to try us out or try something new.
Do you have anything exciting in the pipeline for the Marelli menu, and can you tell us something about it?
Yes, we do. We've been working on something for a while. It's not 100% good to go, but what I can say is that it's a staple in China, and we'd like to do our take on it. And what I can give you guys a hint, and what I can say is that it's white, soft, and fluffy. And I'll let you guys figure the rest out.